Next we are going to learn about area of circle. Area of circle. This is from mensuration. From mensuration chapter, area of circle, or it can be written as area related to circle. So here in this video, as you can see that from the book, that there are some definitions are given. First is circumference, next radius, next chord, diameter, second arc, next central angle. This is the central angle. This is semicircle. Segment, what is segment, what is sector of a circle, what is quadrant. These are all given, and here the formulas are given. The formulas, circumference of a circle, the formulas are given. Perimeter of a semicircle, all the formulas related are given. Now area of a ring, that is that's also given. Area of a ring, that's also given. Now the main highlight or main thing in this video that we have to learn, that is the length of arc, area of sector and segment. Length of arc, first we have to find the length of arc, then area of sector and segment. Now length of arc. Length of arc, these things we have to discuss in this video now. This is circle, this is two radius, OA, OB. So obviously ACB be an arc or AB be an arc. Okay. Now if we take that AB makes an angle theta, AB arc makes angle theta in the center, okay, and the circle has radius r. The circle has radius r. So the length of arc, AB, or we can write this symbol, that is 2 pi r theta by 360 degree, by 360, okay, and that is called the small l. This is the length of arc, okay. Next we have to find, this is the length of arc, 2 pi r theta by 360. Next area of sector. Now if we named it C, so area of the sector OACBO, this is the sector, area of this sector. The area of this sector OACBO, that's equals to pi r square theta by 360, okay. So this also, this can be represented by half into 2 pi r theta by 360 into r. Hope you will able to understood. If we calculate it, you are getting this result. So here this equals to L, that is 2 pi r theta by 360, 2 pi r theta by 360, that's equal to L. So half into L into r. Okay, so this is the area of the sector. Area of the sector OA CBO. Understood? That is this sector. This sector, area of this sector OA CBO, half into L into R. That is half into length of arc into radius. Okay, half into length of arc into radius. So this is the second thing. Next, come to third, that is area. Sorry, this is the second. So this is the area of the sector. Next, come to A. Next, B. B is the perimeter of the sector. Perimeter of the sector OA CBO. This is the perimeter of the sector. So perimeter of the sector, that's equals to OA plus OB, obviously OA plus OB plus arc ACB, OA plus OB plus arc ACB. This is the perimeter of the sector. Okay. Now OA is equal to R, OB is equal to R plus ACB. ACB means, what is ACB? The arc, that is 2 pi r theta by 360, that is 2r plus 2 pi r theta by 360. So that is the perimeter of the sector. Next, the third, area of the minor segment. That is, if we join this, so the area will come ACBA, area of this segment, Okay, so the area of the minor segment. Now here this is the ACB. This is the minor segment. If we take this sector, so this is the minor segment, this is the major segment. So here we have to find area of the minor segment, that is area of ACBA, area of the minor segment, that is ACBA, area of the minor segment ACBA. So that's equals to area of the sector OA CBO minus area of triangle OAB. Hope you will be able to understood. That is area of this sector OA CBO minus area of OAB. Understood? So here area of sector OACBO. OACBO means area of the sector OACBO, that is pi r square theta by 360 minus area of triangle OAB. Now area of triangle OAB, this is OAB. So from this triangle we are getting the area of this triangle is equal to half into r sin theta, that is half into r square sin theta. That's you have to remember this. I will definitely provide you the formula how it comes. So half into r square sin theta, that's equals to half into r square sin theta. Okay, so this is the formula. This is the area of the minor segment. Next, area of the major segment. Area of the major segment. Area of the major segment. BABD AB, major segment, that is B. If we named it this as D, so BDAB, that's equals to area of the circle minus area of segment ACBA Now area of the circle means pi r square minus area of ACBA, that is pi r square theta by 360 minus half r square sin theta. So this, if we calculate it, this will be the answer. So if we write it again, pi r square minus pi r square theta by 360 plus half into r square sin theta, obviously square unit. Next, touching circle. Touching circles. So two circles can touch each other by two way. First is externally and the second is internally. Now externally, if we take two circles, this circle and this circle, okay, this is the O, this is O dash, the center of these two circles. So these are called, they are touching it by externally. Now again for the picture, this is O dash and this is O, so this is internally. Okay. Now here from the figure, if the radius is of the bigger circle is capital R and the smaller circle is small r, so if we have to find the distance, between the centers of the circles, then for first case, that is externally, the distance O dash, so that's equals to capital R plus small r, and for the second case, the distance O dash, that's equals to, obviously if we have to find the distance between this, so from here, if we have to check it from here, so O dash equals to, if we take a point P over here, so O dash equals to, again from here if we take a point P over here, so O dash, that is equals to OP plus O dash P, then R plus R. Okay. Now here this equals to O dash P minus OP. Understood? So O dash P is equal to my capital R, OP is equal to small r. This. So O dash equals to this is for internally, and this is for externally. Understood? Next, what is has rotating wheel. First one is distance moved by a wheel in one rotation. Distance moved by a wheel by one rotation, that is the circumference of the wheel. So obviously number of rotation in 1 minute, that's equals to distance moved in 1 minute by circumference. Distance moved in 1 minute by circumference.